Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you different ways on how to use these Dollar Tree wood plaques. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm going to use the circle one. Now I'm going to start by removing the string. Now I'm going to set this to the side. Meanwhile, I'm going to paint these half beads. I got these from Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description box in case you want to check these out. I am going to paint them black. Once these are dry, I'm going to glue them around the circle. I want these to cover the little holes that this circle has. I use a total of 13 beads and this is how they look. Moving on, I am going to use this wood hanging decor circle that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm only going to paint the side. Once this is dry, I'm going to flip the bigger circle around, then glue the smaller circle at the bottom. If you haven't guessed it by now, I am making a small little riser. For my next project, I'm using another of the circle one. I am going to remove the string. Then I'm going to use one of the Dollar Tree laser cutout words. Now this one says home right here, but I ended up using one that I already had. I painted it black, then I glued it onto the sign. I use a different string and some Dollar Tree beads for the hanger. To finish this off, I used this beautiful Dollar Tree ribbon. I made a bow and I glued it on the side. But that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this home sign turned out. Moving on, I'm using the heart-shaped one. Now this is a little bit different. This one doesn't have the holes. The hanger is stapled to the back. I am going to remove it. Then I'm going to add this family laser cutout word that I got from the Dollar Tree, but first I am going to use this beautiful craft paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. I am going to just press it down so you can see the crease. Then I am going to cut it. As you can see, I'm only going to paint like one of the stripes. I mean, not paint, sorry. Add the paper to one of the little stripes or the planks or whatever you want to call this. I will be using some Mod Podge to glue the craft paper. And look how beautiful this looks. You can honestly just leave it like this. But I decided to add a little more, which I am adding the family wood sign. I am going to glue it at the very top of the heart. Then I'm going to use a little clip, or I think this is a clip, I'm not sure what this is, which I am going to glue it underneath the family, so like that I can add a picture. And to finish this off, I am going to add this to a stand that I had. This actually comes from a Dollar Tree sign, but you can honestly just make this using a piece of wood and 2 dowels. For my next project, I'm using another of the circle shape. Now for this one, I do want to make this so you can use it not more of like a sign, more like a wreath. So to do this, I am going to add some greenery, and I'm using this Walmart one. I am going to cut a whole bunch of little stems off from the Walmart pick, and then I'm going to just glue them all around. For this wreath that I'm making, I am using this less wood sign cutout that I got from this pack, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I got this for like $1.50, and look how many of these little wood pieces it has. I am going to glue this slanted like this. Then I am going to finish it by making a bow using this ribbon that I got from Walmart. Using the same ribbon, I am going to add a little hanger on the back, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using another of the circle ones. I actually only had a heart shape. So for this project, I'm using a Dollar Tree laser cutout word. I'm using the word believe, which I am going to paint it white. For this sign, I am going to add the belief sign a little bit more towards the top, more in the middle, but more in the little bit the top, but in the middle. Hopefully it makes sense, because I am going to add some greenery underneath, and I'm using this Walmart one the boxwood, I think this is what it's called. I tie 2 of the stems together, then I glue this underneath the believe sign. To cover this middle part, I am going to make a double bow using the same Walmart ribbon that I used in my last project. For the hanger, I'm using the same ribbon, but this time instead of gluing it on the back, I am going to just put it through the holes and tie it on the back. And that is it for this believe sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.